How you doing, folks? Jeff from RV Diagnostics. It is Saturday. I usually don't work Saturday or Sunday, but I got rid of some personal stuff to do. This gentleman here, it's a Ventana Mount Air Newmar. He's very lucky his coach didn't catch on fire. Look down in there. You see the yellow death? I could smell ammonia when I brought this in. Oof, as a matter of fact, it's still there. So I made sure before I moved to disconnect at 110 to 12 volt. I even turned the gas valve off, which is right there. See the little slot in that? There's a little slot in it. You know, let me get a little light. See the little slot? Right there. When that's up and down, the valve's off. Alright, so that's bad. It's coming from way up in there. Probably all just bad. Just to do a JC refrigeration dual 12 volt compressor. Now that's an LM 1210, 1211 series. Right here. I'm going to try my best to have this done this weekend, but I usually take off weekends. Thank you very much. I'm going to put this as a warning to folks. Always check. Open that little panel up. I'll show you real quick. Open this panel up, please, and check. You'll start to see dust in here, like a yellowed. Not to where it gets that bad. Look, it's stained all the way down to there. Oh, God, I can't be in here. All right. I'm going to put this on the Facebook page. Please check your system. All right, because this is what caused most of the fires. People don't do preventive maintenance checks. It's not the refrigerator's fault. It's yours. All right, mine's going on 25 years old. I look at it, and when I see a little rust spot on it, I'll clean it off and paint it. But that's me. And when I get back from camping, I take the whole refrigerator, shelves out, all that shit, clean everything up. Yeah, you'd be amazed at what you find. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, test, not guess, is the motto. Don't forget to subscribe and give me likes up and comments. All right, if you need help, just let me know. Join my Facebook page. It's over 33,000 members. And my paid membership website, that's $170 a year. I help you troubleshoot just everything. I'm even working on a very rare Firestone air leveling system. There ain't too many out there. Monaco had a few of them. I forgot the brand of Monaco. Windsor. All right. And believe it or not, they're not built with a safety level system where they have ride height sensors, mechanical, air, pneumatic type. They use electrical. Not a good choice. If the system goes, you got to be towed. So I might be talking to this guy to put in a bypass system. Still keep his once we get it fixed. Thank you very much.